Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to Window and enable Lumetri Color. It'll pop up wherever. For me, it's over here on the right. Now, say you want to change something that's black and white and colorize it. You're going to want to select your clip and then come to Basic Correction and just drag the temperature in one direction. And then come down to Curves, and here you'll have your basic saturation, hue, and brightness adjustments. To change the hue, it's hue versus hue. Just drag this bar up or down, left and right doesn't matter, and set it at whatever you want. And then if you want to change the brightness, it's the hue versus luma. And if you want to change the saturation, it's hue versus sat. And there you go, that's that. Now, if you want to change just a specific color, what you're going to need to do is select your clip again, and under hue versus hue, click your eyedropper tool and select the color that you want to change. You'll notice here now that 3 dots came up. You have the beginning, the middle, and the end one. This is basically your color spectrum. So you notice before when we dragged the entire bar, it changed the hue of the entire image. Now it'll just change the hue of this specific color range. So you want to click on the middle one. This is the color that we just selected, and you can drag it up or down to change the hue. Now you notice it's not changing the entire range here. So what we're going to want to do is drag these other 2 dots further in. So let's cover the full yellow spectrum there, and let's drag this over to the left. So now you'll see we have the whole bird colored in, and he's green now. So he's happy. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you. Oh hey, you're still here. Well, in case you're wondering what the point of this channel is, the general idea is to provide content that's potentially useful for new and small YouTubers. Pretty much anything I've needed while working on my own channels. If you have any questions or requests, let me know either in the comments or the Discord server.